Hello, on this tutorial I will be showing you how to change the orientation of a single page within a Word document. So for example, here you'll see all of the pages are in portrait and how to change this particular one into landscape without affecting the rest of the document. I'm going to show you two ways to do it, a quick and easy way first up, and then the second way I'll just give you a little bit more detail about what's happening for when you need to do a little bit more of a complicated changing within a document. So to start off with, you'll probably have a document created and there'll be a page where it would look better to have it in landscape, such as this one here with a table. Take your mouse and click at the top of the page, right at the beginning of the first lot of text or at the top of the image. In the toolbar, go to Layout, and under the Page Setup option in the ribbon, click here to bring up more options. Select the landscape, the orientation that you'd like to use. So I'm going to select landscape, and I'm going to select here where it says apply to. I'm going to say from this point forward and click on OK. And you'll see it's changed from that point onwards all the pages to landscape. Then what you do, you go to the beginning of the page where you want it to go back to portrait. So I've clicked there. You'll see my cursor is flashing there. Go back into that same menu in Page Setup. Go down to orientation, select portrait, and where it says apply to, select this point forward again, click on OK, and you'll see that it's returned back to portrait. And we just have one page within our document that's landscape. Now that's a quick and easy way when you've got a simple orientation to fix up. So if that's all you need, you can walk away, but I'm just going to show you quickly what's actually happening here so that you know how to do this if you have any problems, or you know how to troubleshoot. I'm going to go back into the Home tab. I'm going to click on this, which gives you all the paragraph marks, so all of your spaces and your returns, etc. And you'll see all of the little symbols have shown up there. And you'll see here what we've actually got is a section break. That's what that job that we just did then has inserted. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove section breaks and put the document back to the way it was. I'm going to show you how to do it the full way. So go back into Layout. And you'll see here I've got my cursor on the page where I want to make the change. So at the beginning here it says Table of Products. Go to the Layout tab, and here you'll see breaks. Click the down arrow and you'll see all the different kinds of page breaks you can insert. So a page break where you can insert a new page, columns, text wrapping. But here, I'm going to show you here under section breaks. What we're going to choose here is a continuous section break, and you read the description here. It helps you to understand what you're doing. Insert a section break and start the new section on the same page. So I'm going to select that. And you'll actually see it's popped it here at the bottom of the first page because this page is taking up all of page 2. Then I'm going to go to the beginning of this page because this is the only one I want to change. So I'll go to breaks and I'm going to put in a new section break under continuous. Pop that in there. You'll see that it's actually appeared at the bottom of page 2. So between here and here is page 2. And all of this is a separate section to the rest of the document. So with your cursor within that, flashing within that document, you can then change the orientation over here on the page setup to landscape. You'll see that it's done the same thing. It's only changed that one page and left the others as they are. So that's showing you exactly what's happening. Now, I do recommend always under the Home tab having the Show Hide Paragraph symbols on because it shows you what's happening, and if something happens, like sometimes an additional page will get inserted, etc., you can see what's happening and you can tidy it up and fix it. So that's the end of the tutorial. Fairly simple and straightforward. I will, in time, put up more tutorials about section breaks and how they work. And I hope this is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.